Hi everyone, my name is Isabela Valencia and I choose the Veganita Group company. This company is in charge of most of the public transport buses in Bello City, and for this reason it is responsible for a large amount of gas emissions. The number of bus routes that cross the city becomes overwhelming, and although they are necessary due to the number of inhabitants, there are different routes that make practically the same path. The most worrying thing about this is that they still use very old models of buses that have very low performance and therefore pollute more. They also do not use any model of electric buses, so in the letter I asked them to update their models to reduce pollution as much as possible. I also recommend checking the rules, as this could be modified to allow the use of electric or hybrid buses in the flattest areas, or even reduce the number of buses needed. It is true that they have tried to implement some environmental policies, such as the implementation of bicycles racks to facilitate cycling through the city. But if we really want to achieve a significant change, companies must be required to make more drastic changes that generate a greater impact. Due to the shape of the land and the climate, air pollution in the Aburrá Valley has a greater impact, especially at certain times of the year. So it is very important that public transport companies improve their environmental policies.